Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So if you watch my previous two videos, and you know I have been talking about this Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. Again, if you saw my last two videos, you know I won this product complimentary from Influencer. I won the Shea Moisture Vox Box. Yeah, I won it, and they actually told me to make sure I said it was complimentary. It was free. They sent it to me to review, and that's what I want to do today. So I really don't know if I would be doing like inserting clips, but I will tell you everything you need to know. And if you would like a demo, I will have the wash and go linked up above. So this product is used to detangle and prep your hair, and I figured this would be good for my hair because first of all, it's for kinky, curly, coily hair, and I have curly hair, so you know it's made for us natural, so I used it. And also, this product is made with kokum butter and plant peptides. And then it's also made with fair trade shea butter. Y'all know that Shea Moisture is cruelty free, it's sulfate free, color safe, no mineral oils, petroleum, so on and so forth. You know, that's what you expect from Shea Moisture. But the smell of this is, it's a very light scent. I don't think it's a way that you cannot like the smell because it's super light, but I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like. Like honestly, it may smell like the kokum butter. I'm gonna put the name on the screen because I'm sure I'm not saying it right, but this is probably what it smells like. But yeah, now this is what it looks like in my hand, and this is how it looks, you know, rubbed in. I used a lot, y'all, but as you can see, it's slowly but surely rubbing into my hand. You see, and that's the consistency. It's not sticky, but it goes a long way. But that's the consistency, and this is how it works being rubbed into my hand. If you saw my wash and go video, you would have seen that I paired it with this Cantu moisturizing curl activated cream, and I'm gonna just show y'all a quick comparison of the two consistencies, because as y'all know, this is a thick product. So that's this. So this is the Cantu, and this is the Shea Moisture. Can y'all see? Anyways, yeah, this is the consistencies. And as you can see, the consistencies are very like similar. Now this one feels a little different. This one feels like it may be a little bit more processed, a little bit less natural than this one feels, but the consistencies itself is very similar, and they both mix well. I did a mix test on my hand before doing the video, so this is a mix right here. Yeah, see, it mixes in very well. Like I did a mix test, so yeah. So let's just get right into the review because I have talked enough. I showed y'all like the consistencies of everything rubbed into my hands, but now I'm just going to give a quick kind of rundown, you know. So basically, it has a very light scent. It's really, like I said earlier, it's really no way to not like the scent because it's super light. It's easy on the nose, if you know what I mean. Like it doesn't linger too much either. I really like that. So the consistency is not too thick at all, and then it's not thin at all. So with that being said, no matter if you have, you know, 3A, 3B hair versus freaking 4C hair, this product, it can work for you if your hair likes it, obviously. So if you use it and you feel like it weighs your hair down, it's probably because you use too much and you have too thin of hair to use as much as you did, you know. So basically what I'm saying is, no matter how thick your hair is, you can adjust the product and it'll work just the same in your hair. Like, I definitely recommend it for all hair types, pretty much. And yeah, I just really like the product. I have really good definition, really good shine as well. Like the shine, I know the shine did not just come from that freaking Cantu. I know it didn't. So yeah. So I don't know how I did on this freaking review. I feel like I was kind of everywhere, but yeah, you all get what I'm trying to say. I recommend it for all hair types, and I like the product. If I didn't like it, I would have told y'all. I didn't like it. Like, it wouldn't be no reason to sit here and lie. I definitely did like it. Yeah, I liked it, and I recommend it. I have two sisters. This has nothing to do with the product, but I have two sisters. Both of them have type 4 hair, but they have different hair types. My youngest sister probably has like 4C, and my middle sister, I guess, has like 4A, 4B at the tightest. And I feel like this could work well on them versus, you know, my 3B curl type. It can work for all of us, is what I'm saying. So, but yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. Once again, I was sent this product complimentary from Influencer to review for you guys, and you know, just to get the word out on this product. So if you want to see the wash and go, it will be linked down below. If you want to see the unboxing of the product, it will be linked down below. And yeah, so just be sure to like this video, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're on the road to 200, and I'm just super excited to get there. I know I can get there. I just gotta start uploading more, honestly. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, bye.